We cook for today guys ng ginataang manok. Yun, gawa muna tayo ng kape para kimata. Natimba na yung pawis ko. And guys, we have coconut. And guys, may vegetable tayo. Opo, talong, carrots, at saka kalabasa. Yan.